decisions, make your own proposals, but you know that this is our government. You come and stay with us and get used to us. Mutuzoe tu. Vile tuko. Kati kwa ndoito. Mundu aroka nyumba yaku arenda gugwathira uri ori ikaragana mukaguo. Na nĩ mũgeni nĩ hĩndĩ ekatia. Ĩna nĩ hĩndĩ oka akora ikaragu na mutimia yaku na ciana ciaku. Na nĩ hĩndĩ oka na mbere yaugaga mũciĩ ũcio ri ndũrĩ kĩharĩro. Ndetiguo muthuri ũcio taramenya nĩ kĩareka mutimia ũcio wake ahiana ciana icio na tingĩthoma rĩu nĩ oka gũgũcerera aheo raro. Kanyo aheo nyũmba njia kuga mutimia mwene ũcio ri uyu mutimia munene mwene muciĩ ati tutiramwenda ati nĩ athie turehe mutimia ũngĩ na ti gwake no kuhotekeke. Najua hii Kenya yetu iko na mambo mingi sana ambaye haifai. So sisi tuko pale tunamsaidia rais na tutaendelea. And the way to help a president is also to advise him truthfully and honestly. Again, the way to have good governance is to listen to your employer, the people of Kenya. And we'll continue to listen to them. As we go around the country, tunawasikiza, tunakubaliana. This is the way we want to be governed. Tuna adjust here and there, tunatengeneza. Let us give the president a chance to complete consultation with those stakeholders, with the young people, with the church people, with business people. We have got a good country. We have got a good government. I'm sure things will stabilize soon, and we should be able to be on a good trajectory path of national development. And our president and the rest of us who are in government. Mimi ningetaka niseme hii maneno ya wabunge. I also want us to be fair to our members of parliament. Many of you are disappointed with the way they voted here and there. Lakini sasa si mtakuwa na nafasi wakati ya uchaguzi. Saa hii tuwapatie nafasi wafanye kazi. Ati nguo. Onako mundu ni aterethete ri. Riu ungigitidoke mugiririo ngiri arute wira na wina ake miaka 3 ukurutirwo wira no. Nataka kuuliza watu wetu wote, especially from this region, au wabunge wetu tuwapatie nafasi watufanyie kazi. Hii maneno ya kuwatukana, kuharibu mali yao, kuwatisha hakuna haja. Tuwasaidie wabunge wetu. And I also want to confirm as Deputy President, as the Deputy Party Leader of UDA, sisi hakuna pesa tulitoa ati milioni 2 ya kupatia wajumbe. It is not true. Let us not tusiharibie watu majina. Hakuna haja. Let us not castigate members of parliament ati ya kwamba alipewa pesa wapige kura. From where I sit, there was no such money. There is nothing like that. Tafadhali tusiharibie wajumbe majina. Tupatie wajumbe wetu nafasi wafanye kazi. Na wamemsikia. So next time when they vote, si wamejua vile mnataka kusema, they will listen to you. We kama heti ati oru ne wekate. Yeah, let us allow our members of parliament, give them an opportunity to serve them, to serve you, because nyinyi ndio mliwachagua, and there is no need to destroy their property. There is no need to intimidate them. There is no need to call them names. Let us allow them a chance to serve, and you will have an opportune time, at the right time, to decide whether they performed or not. And at the ballot, you can make a very good decision that is not violent, that is not vulgar, that is dignified. Mutafanya hiyo uamuzi ndio tuweze kuendelea. So niedi kwenda gukiria hau kwenda kuga ni ndakena muno nego tweterera na tutigutira guku maragwa no turigana tugikukaga. Ndetiguo twaikara tugeka atia uguo mwero ni atongoria kanyumba itu tunyita twaragia giki hinya witu no rumwe witu atugetekera kugayukana tukanyagio ta mai matheru katiguo na tutirauga tunyitane tuhure mundu no umwe uga tunyitane tuhote gwitia kiria gitwigie tunyitane tuhote gutindika maundu maitu tondu andu mari aingi kamuige koyaga ki